breaking these niggas down like a TEMU. You don't really know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a phone case collection, but not just any phone case collection, my Hello Kitty phone case collection. I'm a Hello Kitty girl. I've always been a Hello Kitty girl, but I recently got back into Hello Kitty heavier than ever. I've always loved Hello Kitty, but now I'm kind of obsessed with Hello Kitty. So I have a bunch of Hello Kitty cases and I bought about like 6 new ones. So that just made me think, you know what? Not only do I love phone cases, but I love Hello Kitty. So let me just do an all-out Hello Kitty phone case collection. This is not even all of them. This is the ones that I can find. So there definitely will be a part 2. A whole bunch of Hello Kitty phone cases in here. And one is even on my phone currently. So as you guys can see, I love Hello Kitty phone case. I'm not going to do too much talking. If you're interested in seeing my Hello Kitty phone case collection, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name, and we're about to get into it right now. Okay, so I have a Hello Kitty case on my phone right now. It's my phone. I do not think I'll be upgrading phones anytime soon. 1, because I don't want to get rid of my phone case collection, and 2, once I got a white phone, I said I was not going to get a new phone anytime soon after that. So yeah, it's my phone. This is what it looks like. It's the Hello Kitty case. I got it from TEMU. I do want to say I will leave the links down below where you guys can get the phone cases. I am not, you know, capable of telling you guys how much is in stock or not. So when you guys see this video, if you guys are interested, I would recommend you guys go buy the cases because they are pretty popular. But all the links will be in the description box down below if I can find them, if they're not already sold out. So yeah, check the description box. But this one is from TEMU. I think I paid under $10. I can't tell you guys a definite price, but I know it's under $10. This would look like it's just Hello Kitty in a house. So cute, and it literally looks like a house. So pretty. It's so cute, and it's like, hello. Like, it's so cute. It's so cunty to just like have a Hello Kitty phone case on. But yeah, I have this phone case on my phone now. So now I'm gonna start and show you guys all the phone cases that's not on my phone case. I will be showing you guys how to look on my phone as well. So first off, let me start with this one. I bought this one recently. I got it off of ALIEXPRESS. I literally paid $1.06. They was having like a 99-cent sale prior to Labor Day, so I got one. And that's what it looks like. It's pink. Looks like very cute. The front looks like very cute. Same thing. It's very cute, giving very much gender reveal. Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Very cute. The next Hello Kitty case I got, I believe I got this from Amazon. They don't sell them on Amazon anymore, but I did see them on TEMU, and I also did see them on AliExpress as well. So yeah, I got this one from Amazon. It's so cute. It's pink. This is one of my favorite cases. It's like this. So cute. It's so pretty. This is the front. It looks like very pretty. Very cute and pretty. So yeah, this is that. Cute. This is the next one. I got this one, I want to say off of, ooh, I can't even lie to you, I don't know where I got this one from. I'm not gonna even hold y'all, but this is what it looks like. It's just like Hello Kitty. I want to say she's like a little bumblebee or something. That's what it looks like. She's so cute. Very cute. This one is super thick. Super thick. She's super thick. She's super pretty. But yeah, this is that one. I know for a fact I always pay under $10 for my Hello Kitty cases, but due to the tariffs, I don't really know how much y'all gonna pay now, but I always pay under $10 a month. So yeah. The next 2 cases are similar. So I have these 2. One has glitter clearly and one doesn't, but they're both hot pink Hello Kitty. So cute. They're both from Amazon. Well, I got mine off Amazon, I'll say that much. So this is the glitter one. Cute. Very cute. So pretty. Cute. This is the regular pink one without the glitter. This is cute. Cute, right? This is nice. So those are two. I got them both from Amazon. Like I said, I don't know how much they are due to tariffs, and I don't know the availability, but if I can find them, I will leave them linked down below. This is the next one. I got this recently. I got this from TEMU. It's so cute. This is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. So cute. It's so thick. I got this like last week. I got this last week and I wore it on my phone all week, and that's the longest I keep phone cases on. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm one of the people that I take phone cases off like it's nothing. I change them quick, fast. The next one is this purple one. So I have purple. She's cute. She's cutesy. Purple. Very cutie. Very cutie. Very cutie patootie. Yes. And then I have this one, which is hot pink. It's one of my favorites. I love the color pink. Pink is my favorite color. This is her. She's just like the purple one. Very cutie. So she looks like cute. Pretty. Now, this I got these from SHEIN. I think they were all like $5.50. I will leave them linked in the description box below if I can find them. This is them. They actually sent me two of the same color by accident. This is cute. I'm not mad at it, but I got two of the same color. I got a gray one, and then I got a pink one. She's chunky. She's thick. These are definitely thicker. This one is way thicker than this one. This is way thicker and bulkier. I like her. I might put her on, leave her on. This is cute. She's pink and blue and yellow. Very cute. I like her. Hello. Hi. Cutie, right? So cute. The only place I seen these cases was, I believe, AliExpress and SHEIN. They do have some more cases on AliExpress that I do want to buy, so I probably will buy those. But I have been going Hello Kitty case crazy. This is so, so cute. This is gray, black, and pink. Like, very cute. Okay, so now I have this case. They sent me two. I ordered another colorway, but they sent me two of these. I'm not mad because the other colorway that they was gonna send, I wasn't too fond of it, but it was only $5, so I was like, I might as well buy it. But I'm glad they sent me two because I really wanted two of these. Like, I like this color. It is this turquoise, and then this is like a powder blue. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference in colors, but this is turquoise, and then this is like a powder blue. It's probably not picking up. This is also a powder blue, her outfit. But yeah, and it has like the hints of yellow. It's really cute, and this is it. This is my favorite out of all the ones that I recently just bought. Well, yeah, this is one of my favorites, I'll say. I got this one from AliExpress. It was 99 cents, and she has glasses on. Look at her. She's too cute. She has shades on, but you can lift the shades up, and it's like peekaboo, I see you, peekaboo, you know. Cute, right? Look at her on. She's thick too, honey. Like, she's real thick, so your phone should not be breaking. Knock on wood. Let me not talk too fast now. Her, she's so cutesy. She got her red, white, and blue, and her pink bow. She was Labor Day ready, honey. This is cute. She looks like. This is from her glasses. But yeah, she's so cute, so different. And AliExpress is moving faster, because I remember when I used to order from AliExpress, it would take weeks. My stuff from AliExpress took exactly 7 days, like exactly. So this is that. This is real cute. Those are all my phone cases. These are all my pink ones. And I got my purple. But yeah, these are all my cases, my Hello Kitty cases. I definitely have more that I have to go look for, but I did not want to keep you guys here all day, because I could keep you guys here all day. I will be doing more phone case collections and showing you guys like all my phone cases, but right now, since I went crazy with Hello Kitty cases and bought me a bunch for my birthday, I just felt like why not sit down and do a Hello Kitty case video, so that's what this is. There will be a part 2 to the Hello Kitty case video, but there also will be other parts where I'll be showing you guys more phone cases. So yeah, don't worry. Comment down below your favorite case. Comment down below if you guys have any of these cases. Start a conversation with me in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for supporting. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name so you can know when I'm posting and where to catch me at when I'm not on YouTube. And I want to thank you guys for following me. I want to thank you guys for supporting me. I want to thank you guys for being here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.